The business world is changing fast. Some industries get crowded, while new tech brings fresh ideas. In this video, we'll share 8 exciting business ideas for the future. Stay with us to learn more. Number 1. Virtual interior design. More people work from home now, and virtual design helps them set up their spaces using 3D and VR technology. It's a personalized way to decorate. Number 2. Renewable energy storage systems. As we use more solar and wind power, we need better ways to store it. New battery tech can save extra energy for later use. Number 3. Urban farming. Cities are growing, and urban farms provide fresh food locally. They use small spaces efficiently to meet the demand for sustainable produce. Number 4. Health and wellness apps. With a focus on health, people want apps for fitness tracking and personalized health plans. These apps help users live healthier lives. Number 5. Smart home management. Smart homes need systems to control lights, heating, and security easily, making life more convenient and energy efficient. Number 6. Eco-friendly transportation. As more people care about the environment, electric and hybrid cars are popular. New ideas in charging and fuels are helping this trend. Number 7. Personalized nutrition. People want to eat healthier, and apps can give personalized diet tips. These tools help make better food choices. Number 8. Mental health support. Mental health is important, and technology offers virtual counseling and support tools, making help more accessible. Got questions or ideas? Comment below. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more on future business ideas. We hope to inspire and guide you to new opportunities.